Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Guava Popsicle easy method. Blend ripe guava with sugar and water until smooth, then strain and pour into popsicle molds, leaving space for expansion. Insert sticks and freeze for at least 6 hours or until solid. To serve, rinse mold briefly under warm water, twist gently, and enjoy a refreshing homemade guava popsicle with minimal fuss and big flavor and family. In this video, I will explain how to make Guava Popsicle easy method. Place chopped guava, sugar, water, and a splash of lime juice into a blender and pulse until mostly smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness or add a little milk for creamier popsicles, then strain if you prefer a smooth result. Pour into molds, tap to remove air bubbles, insert sticks, and freeze until firm for a simple tropical treat. In this video, I will review how to make Guava Popsicle easy method. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait for your popsicles to freeze, offering a comfy companion for snack time and recipe browsing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that helps you out, now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make Guava Popsicle easy method. For creamy popsicles, blend guava with yogurt or coconut milk, or swirl in condensed milk after pouring into molds. For texture, add chopped guava pieces or a pinch of chili for contrast. Experiment with lime or ginger for brightness, and remember smaller molds freeze faster. Label molds with the date, and enjoy these fresh, homemade popsicles anytime you crave a tropical snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.